Morning, it's Cliff from the Going Clear channel. I am back today with another unboxing. Well, kind of something I've actually lived with for a couple of months now. I will show you, it is my Vanclef bracelet. So I'll show you the packaging. I got it from Samaritan in Paris during a day trip. It came with the original boxing, a carry case, which is quite cool. The authentication book, which was very nice. This longer streets of that box. All the authenticity bits. And obviously, because I bought in Paris and I live in London, you get your little VAT refund. You can see I'm already wearing it in amongst my wristbands. I could talk you through that as well. It's been festival season. I've gone to a few different festivals in London. Let's just go for okay, so this one is Wireless Festival. So I cut them off and get ready because I actually have work in like the next hour. Do some IT consultancy and I'll be heading into London. Anyway, enough about that. So that was my British summertime wristband for Kylie Minogue Day, which is quite cool at Hyde Park. Let's cut these off so that you can actually see. I'm actually wearing my Vanclef. It's gold mixed with onyx, you can see. And I like it. It more or less goes with everything. Now, please let me know, is it something that you would take off when you shower? Because obviously I can. But it's quite hard to get on. You do get the option to add additional links, I think, which is free of charge. I'll show you how to actually put it on, a sort of hack with one hand. It's quite difficult, quite fiddly. You know, you could always ask someone to put it on for you, but it's really, you'll get used to it in terms of like handling or maneuvering it with one hand, like on and off. I'm just trying to take that off so I can demonstrate how to put it on. Solid Lock probably not go back on for the purpose of this video. So, here it is. I think it's really beautiful. It's something you can wear every day. It goes with a lot of different things. So anyway, what you want to do is get this. I don't know what you call this. I don't know if they call it a lobster clasp, but you just want to put your thumb down on it and then angle it so it's like this. And hopefully if you don't have a obese wrist, you can literally position it around and just let that dangle, and then you just want to be positioning it like that, and that's it, it's on. Really simple, really elegant. And that's that. I'm really happy with it, to be honest. And obviously if you buy it in Paris and you don't live in the EU, like obviously the UK is not in the EU anymore, and I'm based in London, then you get your little tax rebate or refund, which is really easy to apply for and they help you to do in the store, and that can save you, say, 20%. I think there's a fee, so probably in all you'll probably get back maybe between maybe like 15%. Anyway, that was my quick unboxing or demo of how to actually put it on yourself, basically. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. I'm going to be creating more dynamic content. We'll be talking music, we'll be talking lifestyle, we'll be talking culture, we'll be talking events, we'll be talking food. Also, you'll see some more of my photography. I'm going to be uploading a lot more photography bits. Some out and about bits from live shows, if you're into music. And obviously, I'll be updating ilikeItalot.com more often, and then I'll be coming back to YouTube with more videos. I've got another unboxing for you that will probably take place in the next 15 minutes, and then I'll upload that late this week. I'm going for maybe 1 or 2 videos a week. Um, you can come with me on my fitness journey as well. We'll be doing more cycling, more basketball, more tennis. And again, I'm going to be still doing my IT consultancy, so just trying to make everything work and staying consistent. Well, thanks again for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you soon.